Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over this Immersion TV Backlight. So this right here, if you go ahead and open it, it's from Ailofy right over here. Now, as far as the components of this TV backlight goes, essentially what you have is that you have the TV backlight, which is right over here. So this is what's going to be used to actually lighten up your TV. Then you have the adapter. So the adapter you could actually attach to the back of your TV. And you also have I call these wire placeholders just because you don't want the wire of your TV backlight to be kind of dangling at the back of your TV. But even so, this backlight works in like a three-part system where essentially you have the camera, then you have the outlet that goes into the wall, which is over here. And then with the outlet that goes into the wall, it actually connects to the camera, and then the camera also connects to the backlight that you see here. So essentially what you have is basically a TV backlight where the camera watches what's happening on screen, and based on what's happening on screen, it's able to match the colors that you see here on the TV backlight. So essentially you get a 12.5-foot strip light. You also get a controller. You get a power adapter as depicted right over here. This is the power adapter. You also get a wire adhesive strip. So that's those white things I was mentioning here. So this is going to be used to actually hold the wire in place. And you also get some adhesive clips and cleaning wipes. So with the cleaning wipes that are included, you just want to make sure that the back of your TV is nice and clean. There's no dirt, so that the adhesive of this light strip actually connects to the back of your TV. But overall, I'm very excited to use it. I've had no problems with it whatsoever.